Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Let's turn it green because we are green. And thank you very much for being here early. Just having a break in between the morning shows, the breaking news. Virgin Galactic, of course, was in the air today. White Knight was in the air doing a test. No data from it yet. Unity was not attached. But great to see it in the air. Is it preparing for, of course, the Italian Air Force? Well, of course it is, but we haven't got that date yet. All right, so I asked in the poll, did anybody trim off the top? 89% said no. I did. So there's 9 votes, and I trimmed off the top. I sold AI today, made a 38% profit, and 13% profit from the S&P 500. So I'm happy with that because I want to have cash on standby. I want to trim off the top and always can buy a pullback. What goes up must come down. Everyone's getting FOMO and buying and holding forever. Well, we know what happens when that happens. Eventually it goes down and you end up holding the bag. And so we don't want to be doing that, right? Okay, if you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks to all of you. And as always, smash the like button. There's 16 watching, 10 likes. Let's have a like if we can. Let's see who is here and what was going on throughout the show. We got Raphael, who was first here. Again, he says, because he was actually chatting to me in the chat before I went live, I just sold the top, but ready for tomorrow. I put it on Twitter to let you know. Here's Stephen Lewandowski. Crypto Anonymous is his birthday. Crypto, are you here in the chat? Because as a member, that's one of your many perks. Are you here? Let's make sure he's here. I'll spell here again. Are you here, Crypto Anonymous? Happy birthday from Raphael. Happy birthday, says Stephen. Martin, what companies are in your portfolio and the percentage of each company? I can go through that. I'll do that in a second. Hi, birthday, Crypto. Thanks, everyone. Happy birthday. Hey, everyone. There's Scott Beers. Scott is here as well. Where on Discord are we able to see what stocks are hot by right now? Where on Discord? Well, you've got several places you can go, Scott. You can go into, let me share with you the places that you can go. As a YouTube member, I've upgraded you on the account, right? So hopefully you have all that information. Already, you're already on Discord. I think we did it yesterday. So where can you go? Well, general chit chat. If you want to just talk to the family, breakfast bar in the morning, everybody will tell you what they're doing. Just pop in and say hello. Stock news. If anyone's got anything to share, they put it in there. Crypto news goes in there. Ask the family. If you want to know what stock and whatever, you can access that. That goes in there. Suggestions for the show, that goes in there. Live clips, no, not live clips, sorry. Links for YouTube. That's the show for the main show. If you want to send in links that you want me to cover on the show, goes in there. Muzanella posts in. He's a professional trader. An investor, he's got clients and so on. He puts points in there. Sensei Crypto puts points in there. Ed Nevius does education in there. So there's lots of places you can pick up information, as well as calling in live to the show. There you go. I've just opened up the broadcast lounge. Thanks, Mike, for liking the stream on Facebook. Appreciate that a lot. So there are lots of ways that you can gain information. On top of all of that, whenever I'm doing a scalp trade or whenever I'm doing anything, I post it here on Twitter. Have you followed me on Twitter yet? This is my Twitter account, and I post it here on Twitter. What happened there? Something just moved there on the screen. So this is my Twitter. If you've not yet followed me, I always make the announcements when I'm buying stuff because I want everyone to know what I'm buying, what I'm selling as I do it. Not after I do it, but before I do it. Okay? So there you go. The information was there about our scalp trade yesterday. It's all there. Everything is there. All right. Okay. Okie dokie. Let me carry on going. Scott, hi everyone. Happy birthday. There we go. Crypto is on sale last few days. Who is buying? I am loading up on Dogecoin. I've been loading up a little bit as well. Thanks to you. Eric, because you've been supporting me with whenever you want to do a tip, you've been doing Dogecoin. So that's great. Afternoon all, Ed Nevius. Hi, Ed. Hi, Eric. How are you? 131, watching close, IPX 1330 for a double bottom. Okay, we are watching close, IPX 1330 for a double bottom. Okay, thanks, Ed. I'm watching your text. These are the texts I get from Ed. This is the, look, see, there's the text. This is not a recommendation. We're not playing the music. This is what you get if we play the music. All right, this is our scalp trades. We're just looking at something right now. So there you go. That's how it will happen if we ever get it. All right. Hi, everyone. Hello, Mike Flynn. I hit the like and it worked. Great. Thank you, Scott Beers. You are very, very welcome. Okay, 92% of you did not sell off the top tonight. Oh, well, it's always about this. It's always about that, actually. I noticed that. Whenever I do anything, I'm in the sort of 5-10% range of people that actually do it. That's interesting. It's always like that. Always. That's pretty much consistent. Louis Rodriguez, I can do a full breakdown of the stock if you become a member, but just a quick answer I can give you. I have to focus on the members. If you want a full breakdown plus all the perks and benefits, become a member. Let me give you the membership link and fly the flag for your country. We are represented in 18 countries around the world. Highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to members, who live viewers who are members. Here is the countries that we're represented. Is your flag flown here? If not, become the first one and own the flag. We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, and Mexico. They're all the countries that are covered at the moment. All right. We're in it risk-free trade with Sensei Live. We're in it risk-free trade with Sensei Live. Ed Nevius, what's that? We're in it, risk-free trade with Sensei Live. What is that? I have no idea what that is. I want to know what that is. My partners, what's going on with my team? I don't even know what my team are running riot now. Ed and Sensei are running riot. I don't even know what's going on. We're in it, risk-free trade. What is all that about? I sold for a small profit. How do I join? How do I join? Okay, let me give you the memberships. It's in the chat. In the chat, under the videos, in the description. It's everywhere, but I'll give it to you again. Here it is. I didn't get a text from it. I didn't get a text. Was I supposed to get a text? Watching close, IPX 1330 for a double bottom. I explained why the entry. Did you not text me? Ed, I haven't got the text there from you. If we look at the text, I'm not going to show everybody the history of the text, but I haven't got a text from you about that one. So I missed that one if that was an alert. Was that an alert? Your last message to me this morning was that... which was, it was a fake out, and then I had at 1:30, which was literally 20 minutes ago, watching close IPX 1330 for a double bottom. I haven't got I haven't got a buy on that. Is it a buy? Can I just confirm that? Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Mullen, rubbish, worst stock on the stock market. It's a buy now. Sorry, I'm confused. I'm confused, Ed. Catch up with the stream. Clarify. Are we buying this? I haven't got a text on the screen. Let me duplicate this screen. I don't see what you're talking about. IPX. Is this the one? I don't have a ticker or anything. 1330. Oh, you're already in this one. It's too late for me now then, isn't it? When did this happen? 9:10. Okay, that was this morning. Okay, Ed. Bit confused where we are right now. Anyway, I'm sure you'll explain it to me. It's real live stuff here, guys. Got me and my team having an argument live on air. That's what you want. That's what people want. They want the real action. They want to hear. They want to know what's going on. They want to go. Yeah, look at that. The team are actually arguing live on air in front of everyone. That's brilliant. That's the best. That's what we tune in for. That's what we tune in for. Martyn having a go at Ed. Brilliant. Ah, dear, oh dear. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Mullen. Now then, I'm sorry, we were waiting for the close of 1330 candle to verify the entry. Okay. No worries, Ed. It's done. It's gone. Finished. I hope some people are in it because there's a good profit on that one. There's a good profit on that. IPX, if you bought it this morning for Malk Webb, like the stream on Facebook. Thanks, Mike. Yeah, if you got in at 9 this morning, you've made a handsome profit there. Another 60% today. Very nice indeed. I can't put an alert out now, though. It's too late. We'll let it go. McDonald's, Coca-Cola. One more day to go. Ripple, 52. Polygon. Everything's returning now. J&J. AI. I sold at the top here today. I sold my position. I'm out of the stock now. And you can see exactly why I did this. All the information is on Twitter. But see, I now have $3,300 in my account. And the reason for that is we've had such a run of the S&P. I'm guaranteed 4.65 just by holding it in cash on my Roth account in the brokerage account. So we can't keep running forever and ever and ever. All right, we've had a really good run, and now I'm guaranteed 4.65. But also, I need to take some money out as well. I need to take some money out of my account. As you all know, I bought this new Mac Studio computer like nearly 2 months ago now. Can you believe it? It's been nearly 2 months. But I've just had the new one turn up, the Mac Studio Ultra M2 chip Ultra, and they're going to exchange it for me for free of charge. So I'm sending this one back. However, I have to then buy it outright. I can't use the interest-free finance like I've had on this computer. So I've got to raise some funds. So that's why another reason why I've trimmed. I still would have done for tomorrow anyway, but I want cash on hand that I can earn money with. And when I need to pay off the credit card, which will be in about 56 days because you get that overlap period, I'll pay it all off. I won't owe any money. I've not owed money on credit cards for about 30 years. I'm not going to start now. And that's 2 reasons why I sold off the top. Okay. God, it's very warm in here today. I'm just rolling my sleeves up. Don't normally do that, but it's a bit warm in here today. Right. To the moon, inbound says, to the moon. What platform do you use that you're getting over 4% interest on cash in the account? Scott, where are you in the world? Remind me where you are in the world. Where are you? I'm actually getting 4.65. Tomorrow could be 5%. If the rates go up, I'll get 5%. But right now, 4.65. Where are you in the world? I use Charles Schwab. Yeah, I don't like Charles Schwab. I've tried it. There it is on the screen. Can you see it? 4.65. 4.65. Charles Schwab is like I showed you this morning the chart of Charles Schwab's growth compared to Robinhood. Robinhood is light years ahead. Can I send you? Have you already got Robinhood? If not, can I send you an invitation for it? Look, you get between $500 and $200 worth of stock. Share the link. Have you already got this? I get some free stock. You get some free stock. Everybody wins. It's far better. I've tried Charles Schwab. It's nothing compared to this. I've tried them all, and this is by far the best. I'll post it twice. If anyone hasn't got Robinhood, if you set it up during the show, you will get free stocks during the show, and I will share with you what I get. That's what we both win. You got any windows? You got any windows? Looks like you're in the dark all day. Yeah, there's actually no windows in here. If you look above my head, see it up there? Look. If you look up there, it's all soundproofed and blocked off. You can just see a bit of light getting through where a couple of tiles actually fell off where I've got to repair. But up there is a window, and see the tiles? There's a gap. A couple of the soundproof tiles fell off. But no, this studio is like a soundproof recording studio, TV studio. There are no windows in here. There's the magic curtain over there where Leah comes through with the coffee, and behind me, if I get out the way, you'll see another black cloth, more soundproofing on the walls. But yeah, no windows in here. That wouldn't work for the studio, would it? Anyway, I do have Robinhood. Oh, you already have it. Okay. Well, why don't you put your money in Robinhood then? Because it's earned 4.65. I don't understand why anyone. I mean, it's more than you get anywhere. It's more than anyone pays you. The only people get more than that are multi-billionaires with insane accounts. But yeah, I love it. I think it's phenomenal. It's another reason why I said Robinhood will 10x, because the services that what they provide is so far superior and so far ahead of the competition. It's insane. Anyway. IPX, we were already in this one. Mustafa, we were already in. Our team are already in this one. And there you go. Carson with a K, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Webull offers 5% APY, does it? Webull is awful. I don't think the spread is awful. The charges are awful. I've tried Webull. I don't like it. I think it's awful. And Robinhood also offer the lowest when it comes to margin, the lowest fees compared to for margin. I don't use margin, but I'm just saying if you do, it's the lowest. Anyway, studio's impressive, nicely done. Thank you, John. Did everyone see my world premiere? We got another one tomorrow. At the end of each closing bell, we have one now. Robinhood, give it S. Robinhood, give it Scott. I've no idea what that means. Fight channel. How are you this afternoon? Martyn, thanks for your concern about the windows. I think that was good. Don't you have to pay for the premium fee? I pay $5 a month. I pay $5 a month for gold, but that gives me instant deposits. It also gives me level 2 data. It also gives me extra benefits for margin, even though I don't use it. It also gives me stock lending. I earn 1% on my stocks that I lend out. I lend all my stocks out. I'm like a bank. I love it. And so yeah, for me, it's viable. If you've only got $20 in your account, you won't. It's not worth it. It's obviously not worth it. But if you look at my balance now, I've got a balance of $57,000. Well, I can earn at 5%. And what I like about it, 4.65, they pay me daily as well. It's every day. So I get the money in my account every day. Plus the 1% match as well. I don't think Webull do that either. Anyway. That is 1.6 setup, my friend. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate it. We're in a good position here. It took me 2 years to build the studio to get it right. We've got backup power down the floor here. I've got solar power backup. Just underneath here, I've got what's called an Ego. It's a big box, and it powers the whole studio here. So all of this is being run on one AC plug. It's all LED. It's all very efficient systems. And it's all running off one LED outlet, which is all powered by a solar battery. So if the power went off, I could run for about 6 hours on battery. And we've got backup internet, which is also powered through the solar battery. So we're in a good position, right? We're in a good position. You have to be a gold meme. You have to be a gold member to earn 4.65. Yes, I'm getting 4.65. The 4.65, and it's FDI up to 2 million, correct? More than any bank as well. Yeah, FDIC, and you've got SPIC for your stocks. So your stocks are all protected on custodial accounts. Your money's protected with other banks with a 2 million. It's way better than any bank. I mean, the banks are looking like schmucks right now. Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, they're looking like idiots because they earn like they pay you 0.5 on your cash, and you have 1.5 million. With Robinhood, you have 2 million, 4.65, and you also get a 1% match as if you're an employed member of, that's what you get if you're an employee. I mean, okay, admittedly, you might get up to 5% match, but it's ridiculous, right? Hello from Russia. Welcome to you. The Black Curtain from Oz. That's right. That's right. Hi, bro. Lovely to see you here, our Russian friend. I have 5.4% yield on a 3-month in US Treasury. Okay. Fair enough. But if you're okay. Good job, Virgin Galactic. But there's no risk here. You're not concerned about things going up or down. If you buy a bond and the bonds go down, that's what happened to that bank that went bust. They had too many bonds and they had to get rid of them, and then they had a bank run. Just holding my cash. And remember, I'm not doing it with all my cash. 99% of my money is invested. Just when I trim off, I put it in there before I use it for something. I mean, that's all it is. It's not worth the $5 a month. Of course it is. Oh, it's so worth the $5 a month. Yes. Yes, of course it is. Absolutely right. Just do the maths. It makes sense. Good job, Virgin Galactic has more windows than you. Martyn, you're dead right. No more than 3 months, as I don't want duration risk affecting my margin. No more than 3 months. Yeah, but that's the beauty of the Robinhood account with the uninvested cash, because I can come in and out of that every 5 seconds. I can be in and out of that. They pay me daily. You can see, look, I've only been doing it 2 months. 2 months. I've earned $17 in 2 months, and I've only had a few bucks in here. I keep just buying in and out. If I buy something, it's gone. I trim off the top, waiting for tomorrow's dip. I throw it in. I've made $17 for doing nothing. I've earned $150 on the match for my Roth IRA for doing nothing, and I've earned another $20 or $30 from stock lending. So I've made what's that? $250, $300 for doing nothing in a few months, for doing nothing. So with no risk or no exit plan or costs. I mean, I don't think you can beat it. Anyway, lock in high interest CD before Fed pauses rate hikes. They're not going to. They're gonna pause, but they're gonna hold them up. So that's not really. I don't think that's the best advice, Mustafa. I think they're going to pause, but then we're going to be held up at 4. We're going to be held up where we are now for probably 6 months to a year. So I don't see any rate cuts, even just a 0.25 until spring, summer next year. So I wouldn't be concerned about that. I wouldn't be locking up your money anywhere. I don't think that's good advice. Well, do you know if I can transfer my mutual funds into Robinhood? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. We had Cherry here, one of our viewers here. She became a member last week. Cherry, she's from America. She came in and she says, I have a fund, and I've already received whatever it was, a tax benefit, whatever it was. I said, Robinhood will still give you the match onto their account. She transferred it. She transferred it. And on top of that, why I really like the Roth, let me share with you the Roth again. I transferred all my money into my Roth. It's how I got the full balance immediately. And if you don't know what I mean by that, look, the contributions, look, there were 22. They released it in December. By December the 15th, I was maxed out. I just put them $7,000 straight in. So I got my $70. Then in 2023, January the 1st, this year, by I think February, March, I was maxed out again. I got another $75. So that's free money. And what I like about it, the best part, and it's a kind of hidden secret. Most people don't do this, and I don't know why. I use my Roth IRA for all my trading now, unless there's something in my brokerage account that I want to trim off the top. Essentially, I use this because what not a lot of people realize is your Roth IRA, even though you can only put $7,000 in a year or 7.5, depending on your age and whatever, you can trade it unlimited. You could be buying and selling, scalp trading over and over again. You could end up having $1 million in your Roth IRA and pay no tax on any of those gains at all. It's like the dream account. You got free money in the first place. You can trade as much as you want for free, and all the money you make is yours for free. Brilliant. That's why I trade in the Roth IRA. Yesterday, I did a 75% scalp trade. I made $75. I paid zero tax, zero fees whatsoever. The only caveat to that is if you withdraw within 5 years, but I won't because I don't need to. I've got plenty of money sat over here in my other account. I'm not going to do that. You would have to then pay tax on it because you've done it in less than 5 years. You'd also have to give back the 1% match. So all you got to do is hold it. Well, what it does, it encourages investors on Robinhood just to leave their money in, which is good for Robinhood, which means it's good for my stocks, which means it's good for my overall portfolio, and it just keeps compounding. Look, Robinhood's going up again today. I'm up 10% on it. It's a 10x. So I can't lose with this way of trading. It's brilliant. I love it. But anyway. Wow. Do you know if I can transfer my mutual funds into Robinhood? Yes, you can. IRA fund like I did with... Yes, you can. You can transfer the whole thing. They do a transfer where they'll still give you the 1% match. Obviously, you've missed last year now. That's gone. That December 31st, that's finished. Oh, hang on. No, you had up until April the 20th, wasn't it? For tax reasons. Yeah, you have a little extra, but that time's passed anyway. But you got 23 now. Did you ride the Nvidia wave? Yes. Not directly, no. Not directly. No, I wasn't in Nvidia, but of course Nvidia is part of the S&P. It's why I've taken some profits today off the S&P. We're overbought, right? That's been my best investment so far. I think we have another 100% to go. Wow. You expect the company to double in size again? Wow. Okay. You get 1,000 free margin interest with gold as well for those big accounts. Why not? Exactly. I get $1,000, but to me, I don't need the $1,000. I don't. If I use the margin, the one part of that you didn't explain inbound was if I use the margin, I'm not going to do it. If I use the margin, then you lose uninvested cash and you lose stock lending. So there's no point. And my philosophy is this, it's quite straightforward. If you can't make money from the money that you've got, even if it's only $5, you have no business with borrowing somebody else's, because all you're doing is amplifying what you can't already do. So I repeat, if you can't make money consistently with your own money, why are you borrowing money? Now you just amplify that you can't do very well. If, on the other hand, Agent Shu, good afternoon, you are consistently making money, and you could argue that I am, because I am, then perhaps use margin. But I don't want to use margin, and I explained why. In December, I got COVID. I was very ill, and I asked myself, what if I died? My wife wouldn't have a clue what was going on. I can make enough money myself with my own money. I don't need to borrow money. So why bother? Why bother? Because at the end of the day, no matter how good you are, you've got to pay interest on it and pay it back at some point. Well, I don't need to make any more money or take that risk. And Inbound is right. The first $1,000 is free. Why not? However, I've now got it's no risk. If you borrow $1,000 when you've got 52, you're never going to get margin called in a million years. Absolutely not, 100%. But I've got, $57,000. I can sell something and buy something for $1,000 every 5 minutes. I don't need to have the concern of margin. Wondering what will be the next event to keep boosting the market upwards. Is that why people are expecting a market dip after tomorrow's interest rate pause? Well, because we're overbought. It's as simple as that. People take profits. It's as simple as that. It's greed. It's fear. It's what people do. I mean, all we're doing here is investing, if you like, on people's emotions. We've had 2 years of a dull market. We've also had capitulation where retail investors have got, put out the market. They've got margin call, lost all their money. We've got people being laid off now in increasing numbers. We've got inflation still high. The market's 6 months ahead, but the economy is still tight. And we've now had 6-7 months of continual growth, making profits. If you're not taking profits now, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? I mean, it doesn't just keep going up and up and up and up forever. There's always a pullback at some point. The most stable asset in the world, which is the S&P 500, look, there's always pullbacks. There's always pullbacks. Always, always, always. Well, we've had a hell of a run. It's about greed, isn't it? How much, people think you can just run forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Well, it doesn't run forever and ever and ever. There's always dips. And if you've made 35, 40, 50, 60% on a stock, that's like 5-10 years of the average S&P growth, and people become billionaires investing in that. Well, what are you waiting for? I mean, there was a famous incident when I sold 140% profit on Lucid, and I got bashed for doing it. It was like, I made 140%. What am I investing for? What is the number you want? I mean, anyway, search DWAC now. Watch that comes up. It's crazy. I wouldn't touch DWAC, Leonard, because it's a casino. You are betting on Donald Trump's and all his stuff that he's got going on. That's not investing for me. I've watched it. I've played around with it. I made a lot of money from DWAC when it first came out. When I started out, a bit like Warren Buffett, when he first came out, he took silly risks, and now he just buys quality. I feel like I'm there now. I'm just buying quality stocks. I'm not interested in buying DWAC because it's wacky. It's just daft. It's protest voting. Who wants to invest in protest votes? I mean, you've got Donald Trump's base all going to promote and buy DWAC just so they can drop it on each other, and then I ain't got the time for that. I haven't got the interest in that. I want to study a balance sheet. I want to learn about the CEO. I don't want to gamble on whether Donald Trump's going to, say something today which winds everybody up. I mean, I ain't got time for that. Leonard, I wish you the best for it, but that's not for me. I don't think that's investing at all. I think you're just gambling on it, really. Anyway. In fact, I don't think you're gambling. I know you're gambling because it doesn't make any money. So there's no point buying it. You're only buying it because people are protesting vote. And I can't see the point of that. Martyn, what's target return per year? I actually don't have a target, John, if I'm totally honest with you, mate. All I want to do is see. Obviously, I've got a different situation here than everybody else. Everybody watching this channel has a target, at least they should have, because if you haven't got a target, you don't know where you're going. All right, I get that. If you're older, your targets and your risk is different than you are if you're younger, and all the rest of it. You all need to know what your target is, what you wish to achieve. Well, I do know what I wish to achieve. It's $200,000. That's it. Anything above that, for me, is more money than I ever need. Why? Because I have no car loan. I have no mortgage. I own my house. I have everything I need. I live a simple life in England, little cottage by the sea. I walk to a pub on a Sunday. I've got my family and friends. I don't need very much. I've got everything in life I need. So I'm going to achieve that in 2 years. Well, that's like 10, 15 years ahead of where I need to be. And even then, I can probably do this job, this YouTube, for as long as I live, right? So for me, I know what I want to achieve, but I don't actually have to have a target per year because I'm also in a privileged position. And I know that. Everybody watching this show is watching the show and trying to make money. I am privileged because I am going to earn money from YouTube and all the sources, right? I am looking just to build the most honest TV show in the world. That's my aim. And I believe, I mean, that could be a multi-million-dollar business if I compare myself to other YouTubers quite easily. So I'm not concerned with the money or targets. I'm concerned with answering every one of your questions, going live 10 hours a day, here for you. I take care of you, the money will take care of itself. So all I need is 200 grand and I'll be there within 2 years anyway. And then I'll start moving more into dividend stocks. I'm just focused on providing you with the entertainment and a service. And we're adding all the time more and more people to the channel to give me more and more information. I'm talking to more people every day. People are offering now to come onto my show, do my analysis, do my charts, do my crypto. I'm turning them all away. I've got the right team. I've got Sensei Crypto. I've got Ed Nevius. I don't need them. And if anyone comes along that I feel is right, we'll add them. And we're building up a team where we can give you the most honest, real information. So that's my focus. That's my target. That's my goal. It's not actually any more than that. Martin, what's your target and is your objective to compound at the same percent year after year? Thanks. I hope I answered it with that. I'm trying for 20% per year and compound. I'm 38. 20% a year, if you've got the right stocks, is easily doable. Easily doable because you can get 10, 15% just on the S&P. If you just bought the S&P and we're down for the last 2 years, you're going to gain on that straight away. If you then add, like I have done, so I've got my S&P, right? My S&P now is down to 30% of my portfolio. Good luck to get 20%. He'll do that easy. Fight Channel, he'll do that easy. If he has the S&P, he can make 10, 15% easily. And because we've been down the last 2 years, there's some catch up to do. So there's 20% a year just there. And then if he adds rockets to that, like Virgin Galactic, if he then adds Tesla on top of the S&P, like I have got here, I've got 27% of my Roth. That's going to give us a 600% gain in the next 10 years. Right there. You've got Amazon, which is all about AI, and Apple. There is a doubling of the business. So there's 100% there. McDonald's land, because of all of this, then will be built on more expensive land. Coca-Cola, that'll give you that. I mean, now we're back to the main bulk of your portfolio in the S&P. But 20%, if you've got those innovative stocks like AI and EV, easy. The hard part is when he's up to trim and hold his money and not lose it. If he keeps losing his money, then no. But if he trims and takes profits like I've done today, then yes, he'll do that. I mean, we did 75% yesterday. We did like 30% the day before on our scalp trades. We have those scalp trades on top of our swing trades, on top of our swing trades, and then on top of that, our long term. So it's all doable. Most important part is does he take profits and not lose his gains? That's the hard part. Everyone should be up more than 20% this year. Yes, not everyone, because there'll be pullbacks where people won't sell. And also, people will do it wrong. And what I mean by wrong is, if you're buying in your brokerage account when you have a Roth IRA and you sell within the first year, you're paying the maximum amount of tax. So you're losing 20% right there. If, on the other hand, you did it in your Roth IRA with Robinhood and you don't pay tax and then reinvest it with a 1% match, then you're gaining. So just because the markets are going up, it's how you exit. Are you exiting through your brokerage or are you exiting through your Roth IRA? And then what are you doing? For me, I've always got 4 or 5 moves ahead. It's like a chess player, okay? I'm not selling until I know what I want to do with my money. Either because I want to earn 4.65 in uninvested cash, in my case, buy this new computer, which I have to buy, or I'm entering into a new stock. If you're just selling out of fear of it going down, you haven't got a plan. If you haven't got a plan, you've got no strategy. I mean, if you've got no strategy, you're going nowhere. You're just going around in circles, and you'll be paying more to come back in. You'll be paying less. You're getting out at losses. The markets are manipulated. And I've got a video coming out about the SEC, how corrupt it is. I've got a video coming out about that just on the night before we have the Fed in the morning. So you want to make sure you see that. Anyway, people may laugh at 20% a year, but if you compound after 5 years, it is significant. John, I don't laugh at 20% a year. I don't laugh at 20% a year at all. You're a young man. If you do 20% a year, you'll be a multimillionaire when you're my age. It's like it's the same question is, would you rather $1 million or would you rather a penny which doubles every day for a month? If you're a smart person, you'll say a penny. A penny becomes more than $1 million, a lot more in 30 days. So you compounding at 38 years of age, you will be a millionaire when you're my age. No question about it. No question about it. And I would go further. I'd go further, John. John, I've given you more time than I should have done. I've got to focus on my members. I didn't mean to focus on John. He's not a member of our channel, but he just did give me a good question. John, if you are 38 years of age and you have $20,000 in the bank, I don't know if you do or not. I have no idea. But if you've got no credit cards, if you're not paying 26% on a credit card, if you've got no car loan, if you've got no mortgage, and you've got $20,000 in the bank, is it right to put $20,000 into the S&P now, today, or $100 a week every week for the next 20 years? Does anyone know? Does anyone know the answer to that? What should John do? If John has no mortgage, no car loan, no credit card, he has $20,000. He has $20,000 in the bank right now. Is he better putting the full $20,000 on the S&P right now, or putting $100 in it every single month until the 20,000 runs out? Does anyone know what the answer is? Anyone know the answer to that? Smart thinking, my friend. Yep, he's dead right. No, don't apologize. I haven't got members requiring my attention right now, so I'm giving it to you. You're very welcome. 16% says yes, they trimmed off the top. That tells me I did the right thing. Okay. No one prepared to say what the answer is? Okay. Subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. We've got 40 watch, 39 watching, just 18 likes. There's 21 of you, 22 at 3 of you who haven't liked the video. What's going on? Smash the like. I'm going to keep flashing it until it annoys you. Come on, what's going on? 20 minutes to go. Look at that. Look at this. It's lazy people. What's going on? 41 watching, 18 likes. That can't be right. 100 every month until SPY is until it reached 20 grand. 19 likes. It's just started to move. No, I stopped the timer because I wanted to come back. Carson says buy the SPY. By the SPY. History is your best friend. Ed's telling you the answer. 100 every month and in S&P until it reached 20 grand. Is that right? No, Fight Channel's wrong. The answer is if you've got 20 grand and you've got no credit card and you've got no car loan and no mortgage, so you've got nothing taking your money away from you, you've got no bleed of your money, no hemorrhaging of money, remember, always pay off your highest amount first. If you haven't got any of that, And remember, I know what I'm talking about because when I came to America just 7 years ago, I had a 0 credit score. And now I've got a credit score higher than 98% of anyone in America. My credit score now is excellent, like whatever it's 830 or something like that. And that's not because I've got money. It's just I know how to use credit. Most people don't know how to use credit. And it's not about having more money than somebody else or whatever, or being smarter than anybody else. It's just knowing how it works. And I've got a credit score higher than 98% of Americans, and I've only been here 7 years. All right, that's not clever. It's just because I understand how credit works. I've got the same in England, 999 out of 1,000 with Experian. The answer is, if you've got no credit and not paying 26%, put all the 20 grand in the S&P right now. In the next few months, you may be down 5%. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If you did it and put it all in now, and you've got an income, you're going to be earning money all the time. If it does dip next month, next week, whatever, add more. But if you put all 20 grand in today, you would have more money in 20 years or whatever it might be than you would if you just did it every week for the next 20 years. Absolutely. Because remember, the last week you're putting in the last $100 or whatever on day the 20th year, and the market is up 100%. Remember, every 7 years? In history, every 7 years, the S&P doubles. So you're going to keep doubling. You're going to double twice in that, or near enough in that period. And even if you only doubled once, you'd make more money doing that than you would if you just drip fed it over the next 20 years. So there you go. And that's essentially what I've been doing. I've been just putting every single penny I've got, every penny I earn goes straight in. And that's what I keep doing. Lewis Martin. This is the guy. I've been looking for you. There he is. Lewis Martin. I want to thank you. Lewis Martin isn't one of my members. He bloody well should be, because he put out a bit of information for me today. I missed it. Because, I don't get every single trade, every bit of information. That's why I have a team, right? And he alerted me to this. Virgin Galactic was in the air. Virgin Galactic in the air. See here, look. I stopped the show, did a live video, and that video has now had 637 views for a live video. That's insane. That's really, 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 really good. That's not a video. That's a live video. A live stream now, 638. It's still going. People are still watching it. That's why there's not a lot of people in here now. They're still watching this long stream here. So Lewis Martin, I want to thank you for that. Thank you very much indeed. When are you going to become a member of this channel? Because that was a great thing there. I call him Lewis Hamilton. Don't know why. Probably annoys him, but there you go. In England, we give people names when we like them. If you don't get a pet name, it means they don't like you. The more abusive the the pet name, the more we like you. No worries, matey. You do a great job. Well, thank you very much for the information. I appreciate it. Put 20 grand in space. No, 20 grand in the S&P. That's what we talked about. Look left and then right. Hello, just like crossing the street. I like that. Left, right, and left again. In England, it's left, right, and left again. In America, it's right, left, and right again, isn't it? That's right there, Ed. You're dead right there, mate. Anyway, what do you think of that? John Patman, you agree? Disagree? What do you think? All right. Okay, let me end this then. Did you trim today? 86% said no. Good. That means I did the right thing. And I'm going to put my name in the sand. So what I did today, I took my allocation of the S&P down from 33% to 30%. I trimmed off the top. Why? I was at 13% when I did it. I was up here. I was at 13%. Okay? That's insane. That's ridiculous. That's overbought. That's crazy. Even though the RSI isn't confirming it's overbought, in my opinion, the S&P to achieve that amount of growth in that amount of time is just waiting to come back down again. It has to. Okay? So, I've trimmed off the top, but for good reason. I also sold AI I sold AI. I made 33% a couple of weeks ago. I sold half of it, and I made 38% today. It had a ridiculous day today. It went up 19%. I sold right at the top here, and I've sold it. Why? Because they're not making money, and it's overbought. A bit like IonQ will pull back. And look, we had that big drop there. It will pull back. It will pull back because at the end of the day, it makes no sense to be at this valuation. We can't keep going. Tesla did the same thing, right? $1,200 came all the way back. Okay, so it's the same thing. It's all about buying value, right? Now, remember what I just said though. I've always got 3 or 4 steps ahead. I've got 2 objectives. Before I sold it, I didn't just sell it for the sake of it. I sold it because 1, I believe risk management is more important than anything else. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. If you don't have risk management, you might as well flush your money down the toilet. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. So I took some money off the top for 2 reasons. 1, to put in uninvested cash because I get paid daily. Now I've got $3,500 there. I'll earn, I don't know, about $1 a day or whatever it is. Something like that. It's free money. 17.49 is what I've earned in the last couple of months, right? So I'll make a bit of money on that. That's fine. But also, if there's a pullback tomorrow, I want cash to be able to buy the dip. Now, if there isn't a pullback tomorrow, that's step 3. I need $3,000 to $4,000 anyway to buy my new Mac computer. So I've made, I don't know, 13% from it, plus the dividends I've had, of course. They've been reinvested elsewhere. So I've made, 14%, whatever. So that's 14% discount off my computer. So, but by paying it off, I'm going to then have more, I'm going to start being able to put money back into the stocks again because I've only been putting $4 a week in because I've got this massive budget to pay for this computer. It's $4,500, this Mac Studio. So I've got to be able to pay that off, and then I can start using all the cash, what I earn on YouTube, so I can put more than $4 a week in. Trim Tesla. Now, you got a point. I looked at Tesla. However, I decided not to buy Tesla because if I want to not to sell Tesla. If I want to go to $100,000 this year and $200,000 next year, I'm not going to do that in the S&P. Not a chance in hell. I have to sell some. I have to hold on to Tesla. Now, S&P was overweighted. For my portfolio, I do want heavy allocation with the S&P. But remember, I've also got Tesla, Amazon, McDonald's, Apple. I've already got other major parts of the S&P in their own stocks. So I've got 60, 70% of the best companies anyway. So I trimmed it back enough. But since Tesla started refining lithium, they've added another arm to their business. And now with them crushing, which they will, even though they haven't done it yet, with them crushing GM and Ford, Elon Musk's very subtle about that. I want to help everybody. Get out of it. He's competitive like everybody else. Ford and GM are going to lose out to Tesla, in my opinion. This has given even more strength. So I see Tesla 6xing. I made a video on it. 6xing, not as much as Robinhood on that scale. They're a 10x. This is 6x. So I actually want more Tesla. I've already trimmed. I don't want to trim anymore. I want to be in a position where I own double this amount of Tesla. So even though we might get a pullback tomorrow, maybe Tesla will trim off, I would rather remain in the stock at 172. And then if we do pull back enough, I might buy some with the $3,500 I've now got in my buying power and find another way to find the money for my computers. There's 4 moves there, 4 conditions that I'm looking for, which is why I sold the S&P. So I hope that makes sense. Fight Channel, that will take 17 years. God knows what 20 grand can buy in 17 years. That's another reason. I never even added inflation to it. That's another reason why you should put the 20 grand today in the S&P rather than every week for the next 20 years. Absolutely. And that is another element to it, the inflation. So that, again, will eat up your money. So that's right. Fight Channel, that will take 17 years, and God knows what 20 grand buy in 17 years. Definitely what it can buy. Definitely what it can buy you today. Okay. John Patman, yes, trim Tesla and buy it back when it's 350. Drillion's being a bit clever there. Definitely not where I can buy. Definitely not where I can buy you today. Definitely not what it can buy you today. There you go. He's got it right now. Drillion, sorry, I didn't mean to delete your message. I meant to delete mine. Oh, did we delete a comment? Oh, I read it out. Oh, I read it out anyway. Would SoFi... I overruled you. I overruled you, Sensei. See, I can do that. It's my channel. Would SoFi be good to trim right now? SoFi, waste of time. I used to talk a lot about SoFi, and I've explained why. I've explained why I don't like SoFi anymore, because the CEO's a clown. He has no idea about the markets, and I can't invest. Remember, I invest in the companies and the CEO. I can't invest in SoFi because what he said twice to manipulate the stock. And he's not just a CEO of a company, he's a CEO of a money company. SoFi is, money, it's fintech. And he said that last year we'd get 2 rate cuts, and everyone laughed at him, and everyone said, you're only doing it to promote the stock and pump it. And as soon as he did that, I went, I'm out. I have zero tolerance to liars and scammers and people who talk rubbish. And talking of scammers and rubbish, the biggest scam on the stock market right now is Mullen. I don't know how many messages I get from Mullen investors who aren't investors at all. They are manipulators and scammers. Tell me that Mullen is about to pop up and go ridiculous. We are literally in a bull market now. Some of you might disagree. That's up to you. But I said in December that we'd turn into a bull market spring, summer. Well, we have. It was declared yesterday by Bank of America that we have. I said my portfolio would bottom in December. It did. And it's exactly as I said it. And yet we've got Mullen continually going down forever. And it's already had a reverse split. So it's less than 1 cent a share now. It's going to get delisted. It's a complete joke. And I'm disgusted by it. I'm disgusted that I actually bought into this, because this is one of the few companies I didn't research the CEO. And if I had done, what I know now is the guy hasn't got a clue what he's doing. He's lost control of his board. The information that's coming out is all irregular. One person says something and someone else says something else. There are a band of merry men sending me false information. And unlike other stocks where I have studied the CEO, I have studied the background, this one I never did. And I wish I had done. Because whenever I don't research it, this is what happens. Rubbish. So I've basically thrown away like $600. I don't even know why I'm holding it. Does anyone know why I'm holding Mullen? I've got $92 left. I might as well just take $92 out. I don't know what I'm holding it for. It's literally going to zero. But there you go. It's a joke, isn't it? Anyway, let's get rid of that one. We've done that one. If you didn't see our scalp trade yesterday, we're up 75%. We do one every morning, if there's one to do. It is your own risk, though. We always put out that information as we bring it to you. 3 minutes to go. Now then, we're going to be out of here quick today because the FOMC tomorrow, I'm going to be back with the FOMC report. Jerome Powell live on my show. Yes, just me. Nowhere else. You can't see it anywhere else. Just here. Just me. I didn't trim a penny off J&J, by the way. Why didn't I sell any J&J? Because J&J is where the money will go, and it's going up now more than other stocks. This is the safety net for tomorrow. This is where the safe money is going. This is where the old money is going. And if we get a pullback tomorrow from Tesla, this is where it will go. So I'm holding J&J and good dividends. Coca-Cola, of course, tomorrow is the ex-dividend date. So Coca-Cola has been going up today because everyone's buying it for tomorrow. And then the 46 cents dividend. So it pays for itself. But I've already got enough. So I don't need any more of that. Anyway, let's wrap up the show. A couple of things we've got to do. We've got the overall balance is up. We're at $57,600. All this from $5,000 and just $4 a week put in. That's it. I've shown you that on the screen. I've shown you proof of that, because people often say, how can it grow that much if you only put $4 in? Well, here it is. Is the information. Here's my account. I put $4 a week in. That's it. That's it. Not a penny more, not a penny less. There you go. Anyway, we're down to last minute before we ring the bell. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. It's the Sensei Crypto Bell. You can sponsor it for $10. You can sponsor the Sensei Crypto Bell for the day. Thanks, Sam, for liking the stream on Facebook. Thank you. We are 100 away now from our target. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers on the Facebook page. Who is sponsoring the bell? Who? Who's sponsoring the bell? Who? We all know who's sponsoring the bell. Only Octavio ever sponsored it once. It's $10 to sponsor the bell for the day. You can have your name put on the bell, and we're just about to ring in the bell right now. So get ready. Here we go. And then we've got a special video coming out tonight about the corruption of the SEC. And also, we've also got, here it is, the Sensei bell in 10 seconds to go. And we're ready. You ready? Yeah, we've got the SEC corruption evidence, and we've also got the FOMC for tomorrow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Thank you, Sensei, for ringing the bell. You too can sponsor the bell for just $10 all day. You can have your name on the bell. All right. Always known as the Sensei bell. Who? All right. Let's wrap up the show. And this morning, it's a new feature on our show. I run every morning 2 hours without a break. And then I take a 7-minute break. I'm planning my toilet stops. Can you believe it? That means I'm old, right? And every morning at 9:30, 2 hours into the show, we take a break and give you this, the world premiere. There is the world premiere. If you've not yet watched today's, go and watch it. Why are we doing this? We're trying to keep the music alive. The day the music died was yesterday. What do I mean by that? This is what I mean by it. Yesterday, major artists around the world reported that they cannot get their music seen anymore, can't trend it, because AI bots are making their own music. There was a Michael Jackson song that came out, and it's impossible to get known online now with your music. So, I am leading the charge. As the world piano man, I am leading the charge. I am no longer trying to get trending names in my titles. No, I'm just calling it Martyn Lucas Music. And the only way you'll find me now on YouTube is either you are a subscriber of my channel and you watch, or you search Martyn Lucas. That's it. If you don't search for Martyn Lucas Music, you will not find the title. I am hoping.
Nelson Gonsalves has become a member.
Brilliant. Nelson, what country are you from? We have members now in 18 countries around the world. I am hoping, with your support, that I will manage to break through and build my music up without trending for anything. Because all I ask is this. Every morning at 9:30, 2 hours into my show, I will take a break. And this morning's premiere was Daniel. I miss Daniel. Oh, I miss. There you go. There is my song. There is the premiere. I've given it you in the chat. Go and watch it now at the end of the video. And every morning at 9:30, from my studio behind me, I will do a premiere right behind me. This was this morning's premiere. And all I ask is that you all tune in for the premiere as I do it live, as it goes live every morning. And once you've watched it, if everyone likes it and clicks the share button, we can compete against AI. This is called live and AI free. I hope that everybody will do it. Otherwise, music has died. AI is taking over music. It's awful what's happening, and we can't stop it. The only way we can do it is fight back like this. So I'm hoping everybody will support me on this mission. And every morning, when I take my 7-minute break, I will go into the live premiere every morning with a different song. And it'll always be the same thumbnail, so you'll recognize it. It's not trending or anything like that. Look at that. Same every morning. There I am with the name of the song. That's it. Going away from all the trending stuff, and it doesn't work anymore. And hoping that people, human beings, will click on it and follow me and share it. Anyway, we've come to the end of the show. I need to give our Nelson Goncalves. Nelson, what country are you from? I'm going to give you all your benefits now. Martin, short sellers lost $6 billion in Tesla this month. We simply have to hold the best stocks. Drillian, I'm with you. I'm not selling my Tesla. Nope, I'm not selling it. Hi all, the Queen of Celebrating. Welcome, Nelson. World Premiere. Welcome, Nelson. Nelson, you've got lots of perks and benefits I'm about to give you. Would everybody please welcome Nelson in? Let's do it. Let's go viral. Let's go, yeah. What do they call it? Not viral. What's the word? Spam it, yeah. Welcome, Nelson. All right, everybody. We got a birthday as well. Where's our birthday boy? We got a birthday to do as well. It was called Crypto something. Where's he gone? Crypto Anonymous, are you here for your birthday? Are you here for your birthday? We've got a birthday in the house. It's one of the the members' perks. Are you here, Crypto Anonymous? Right, Nelson. What we're going to do for you, first of all, is tell you what your benefits are. You get a blue badge, turn green, turn yellow. From Portugal. We have Portugal. We have Portugal as one of the countries. You are our third member from Portugal. Yes, you are our third member from Portugal. Thank you very much indeed. I actually go out in your language. I go out in 14 languages. One of the languages that I go out in is Portuguese. Okay, excuse me, I got something in my eye. So, I'm going to welcome you in Portuguese. Welcome to Nelson, our third member from Portugal. Welcome to you. I'm about to give you all your perks and benefits. And translate that into Portuguese. I go out in Portuguese on all my short videos, not the long videos, the short videos. Okay, here we go.
Bem-vindo ao Nelson, nosso terceiro membro de Portugal. Bem-vindo, estou prestes a lhe dar todas as suas vantagens e benefícios.
Okay, now your badge will change over time. You can ask me to do a poll. You can ask a question. I will reply to all your comments on YouTube. If you comment to me on my social media, Facebook, or you comment on Twitter, I will reply to you, and it will help you grow on Twitter if you want to do that. If you ever go silver, I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel and get everyone to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You can ask me to make videos, review stocks, back test stocks, you name it. You can also have a birthday celebration in the live show. If you want me to celebrate your birthday, and we have a birthday today, people pay me $500 to make them birthday videos. You get that for free for you or a family member whenever it's your birthday, the day before, the day of, or the day after. All right? Also, you can call into the show. You can talk to all our traders and team, learn about all our scalp trades. You can get lifetime discounts from the services that my sponsors provide, like Sensei Crypto. He offers, I have a viral video. Yeah, I know you do. Be careful what you're doing though, Sensei. I know what you're trying to do, but you can damage your channel by doing videos that are not relevant to your content when you start doing content. I just want you to warn you of that. You can damage your channel. If you want to know why, give me a call afterwards and I'll explain. Don't try and cheat the system with something that's like really cool and film it. It can actually damage your channel going forward. And if you want to know why, I'll explain it to you. Anyway, Nelson, you can now be upgraded on Discord, so you can call into the show. It's the way you get information into the show. You can send in links, you can call in, have a conversation, whatever. Here is the Discord link. It takes 10 minutes to get in, and I was going to end the show, but because you're here, I'm going to do this for you now. Do you want to get into Discord now? If you don't, we'll do it tomorrow, but if so, I'll wait for you. When you click on that link, you will cut. Oh, he's already done it. He's already done it. That saved me loads of time. Nelson, is this you? I know it sounds obvious, but Nelson, is this you? I need to know if this is you in YouTube. Just tell me, is this you, Nelson? Because somebody will create an account pretending to be you. Is this you on Discord? I know it sounds silly, but people do pretend to do it. Is this you on Discord? Okay, I'm going to reply back to him now. Reply back to you. I need to know it's him. I think you already have a flag, Portugal. Yes, I do. Is this you? Confirm. Confirm on YouTube. Okay. There you go. MSK, Crypto XRP, what are you thinking, bro? MSK, become a member and we can have a chat. There you go. Anyone playing CCL into earnings, just wondering, I am back testing options, not a trade, just back testing. I used to work with Carnival, one of the most corrupt companies there are. I know all the ins and outs of Carnival, used to work for them. Managed in Cuba, a lot of corruption with that company. Don't like it. A lot of scammers there. A lot of liars. Don't like it. I'm just waiting to hear from Nelson. We lost our birthday boy today for some reason. We had a birthday, Crypto Anonymous. It's his birthday. He's not replied back. I can't help him if he doesn't come back, but I'll say one more time, are you here? There we go. Nelson, just confirm that's you. And then I'll finish up with the show. Okay. I've really got to run. We want to do birthdays if we can. Thank you very much indeed for all the likes over there on TikTok. I'm not by any means an options trader yet. Daniel Denerthy has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you, mate. Nelson, are you there? Just waiting for you to confirm that it's you and I can sort your account out. Can't do it until you do it. DeWold evening from South Africa. There we go. This is our flag flyer here. You see the South African flag? This is from DeWold Vosloo, one of our members. Good evening from South Africa. Hope you're all well. Why are we so green today? Why are we so green today? Well, that's a long story. We had White Knight in the air today. Many of you missed it. Virgin Galactic was flying today. I had a video out on it. I was live for an extra 2 hours in the late morning. Okay, guys, you might not hear from me for a couple of days, different time zone, and we'll be relaxing in Dubai. We'll still post updates on my Discord. Thank you, Sensei, for keeping us up to date with that. Okay, I'm just going to wait one more moment for Nelson Goncalves. Just want him to reply. Thank you, Nick Schubert. Have a great time in Dubai. Yes, indeed. I don't think I can get hold of Nelson. Okay, so that will mean we'll have to wrap up. Unfortunately, we've got a birthday we can't celebrate because our birthday boy isn't here. And Nelson, I'm going to have to tell him I will reply. I will upgrade him when he comes back. I will upgrade you. Whoops, upgrade you when you confirm on YouTube. There you go. That's all I can do. If you're not here, I can't do anything about it. Okay. Wait for him to do that. Right, we'll wrap up the show. Day trader of the day. So, I'm going to ask everyone now to do a couple of things if you'd like to. First of all, our world premiere this morning. If you missed it, here it is. We're trying to fight back against AI. The day the music died was yesterday. Major reports around the world about music being destroyed by AI, and explained why. Hopefully, you'll all watch that now. And as you can see, we've got 13 days away. Sensei asked me, "Are you on track? Are you going to keep up with Martyn's friend, the wolf? Are you going to meet up with the wolf?" The Wolf of Dubai. He's a right clown. Tour Charge. Hello, people. Hello, Tour Charge. How are you? Welcome to the show. Yes, have a plan. Go and see him. Mind you, you won't be able to talk to him, though. First of all, you have to have $10,000 to be on his training program. And then you've got to pay him an insane amount of money to be on it. Collaboration with the Wolf of Dubai. I'm going to put that on the screen. You should never have said that. There you go. It's on the video. He's doing a collaboration with the Wolf of Dubai. And just to be fair, I'm going to put that right afterwards in case someone grabs screenshots that and someone says that this is what Martyn said. There is the crying with laughter. There's no way Sensei will be signing up for that. All right. Okay. Right. Yes, Sensei asked me, are we on track for the 1 million views in 13 days? We're about a week behind. We are catching, but we are not going to make it unless people start watching these shorts now. We're running out of days. If you want to get to 1 million views on the anniversary of the show, you need to click this short playlist. There are 1,000 videos. They are 15 seconds each. Open it and let it run through. If you all do that, we just might do it. And then on the birthday, I'll be drinking all day and getting drunk live on the show. If we don't get it, if you don't do that, we're not going to do it. We're going to reach 1 million views, but it will be a week or so later. But I want to do it on the birthday. So I'm trying to get everyone to play the shorts playlist. And as yet, only a couple of you are doing it. So we're not there yet. Right, day trader of the day. I wanted to upgrade Nelson, but we've lost him. And we've lost our birthday boy, so we can't do any of that, which is a great shame. And tomorrow, of course, is the biggest day of the year. It's Jerome Powell's speech, the FOMC report. I've trimmed off the top. I sold my AI. I freed up about $3,500 today. And as far as I'm concerned, it was the right thing to do. I have no regrets at all about that. Right, so look out for the CEO, the corruption of the SEC. That's coming out later. Also look for the FOMC reports. They're coming out later. And tomorrow morning, we're back with a live special, FOMC day. We've got the live report. We've got the closing bell. And just after the opening bell, just before the FOMC, we have day 2 of Keep the Music Live. Okay. MSK. I have a feeling anything can happen this week, but I don't want to risk my positions. MSP, people join for many reasons, trading, crypto, and XRP only as well. Dollar cost average XRP also. Okay, right. Let's go day trader of the day and see who's winning today. So let's go to members only. Here we go. Members only in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're members only now on the show. And it is day trader of the day. Here we go. I am up 1.02%. There is my position. What is your position today? Are you up, down, left, or right? Okay, let's put a minute on the clock when you start commenting. When the first person posts, we shall do that. Sam Connery's on Facebook. That doesn't count. You've got to be on YouTube. Trying to sneak in. Whoa, trying to sneak in there. Yes, down 1.03%. Well, we know why. We're not going to ask why. We know why. Right, there we go. 1 minute on the clock. Sam Connery, you've got to be on YouTube. You can't just sneak in the back door on Facebook. Oh, very clever. I like it. Scalp trade this morning for 10% gain. Roth up 3.5. Congratulations and well done for doing it on your Roth. You paid no tax on that. No capital gains. Zero tax. Very, very smart. The right way to do it. You've made 10%. You've outperformed the S&P. 10% a year on average. You've done in 1 day and paid no tax. Agent Shu, best trade of the day. Love it. Best trade. Martyn has a discount code as well. He hasn't given out yet. A discount code. Where is my discount code? I don't see it. Where is it? Christopher Misek. How are you? Let's end the clock. Hang on a minute. Where's my discount code? Christopher Misek is here, one of our new members, just joined. Martyn has a discount code as well. He hasn't given it out yet. Where's my discount code? To give everybody discounts. Where is it? I want it now. I want it now. Down 3.12. How could you be down today? What's going on? Up 1.65. Take care of yourselves and each other. He's already jumping in with the catchphrase. That comes in about a minute. You're 2 ahead. I like it. I like it, though. Up 1.35. Up 1.65. Up 0.57. Roth up 3.5%. There it is. There's our winner. Our winner today, without a question of doubt, is... oh, yeah, you asked me to make one. You didn't tell me, no, you got it. When did this all start? When did all this start? How come hang on a minute. How come I didn't know about this? Ooh, hang on. Let me just give this award out. There we go. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. He's thinking, come on, I've done good here. There we go. Agent Shu, congratulations. Right. Martyn has a discount code as well. He hasn't given out yet. Flipping heck. Right. I'm up 1.65%. You asked me to make one for the Lucasades. Hang on, you misspelt that. That's not right. Is that how you've done it? Because you've misspelt it. Our hashtag is Lucas. How the hell do you spell Lucas? Lucas AIDS. This is how you spell Lucas AIDS. That is my hashtag. Now then, let me just double check. Have you got that right before I give it out? I want to know this. Is this happening now? Is this a real thing? Ooh, Ali discount. Ali discount. You better have spelt it right. Otherwise, it's going to be hell up. Well done. Well done indeed. Congratulations. I did it when you spelt it out to me. Right. If anybody wants Sensei's services with a lifetime discount, it's members only though, right? It's members only. Is that right, Sensei? Yes, your spelling. You can check on my website. All right. Okay. And, this isn't for the discount, is it? This is for the, this is when you sign up for the newsletter, right? Is that right? This is when you sign up for the newsletter. Right. Okay. When you sign up for Sensei Crypto's newsletter, if you use Lucasades, my discount code, what do they get, Sensei? Can't wait. What do you get? I want to know what they get. Unbelievable. We've got discounts here I didn't even know about. How come I don't know what's going on in my own show? This is not good. I told you before, we got Ed Nevius and Sensei creating havoc. They formed like a little club now. They tell me little bits. I don't get all the information. No, for anyone you send over. Right. No, it's for all plans. No, for anyone you send over. Okay. It's for everyone I send over. What do they get then? You've not explained what do they get. I want to know what they get. Do you want to call in and explain it? Nelson, we've not got Nelson come into the live show yet, which is a bit of a shame. We wanted to upgrade him. Right, I've got to go. I ain't got time for this. Well, apparently, if you use Lucas Age, you get something. I don't know what it is. I've got no flipping idea. But you get something. Don't moan about it. I mean, you get something, right? I don't know what it is. Best promotion in the world, isn't it? If you use my code, you can sign up for something. I don't know what you get, but it's something. This is not how Coca-Cola do it. When Coca-Cola, do a promotion, they've planned it out. They know if you enter this code, you get a disc. They know what you get. You get Apple Music, or you get a year free of Netflix. With me, better than that. You use my code, and you get what you're given. What you get is what you get. I got 19 times back on my membership. Get out of it. You got 21 and a half. Can you feel the love tonight? Yeah, we can feel the love tonight, DeWild. We can feel the love tonight, all right? Check on my website. I can call it. I can call in. I can't call in at the moment, all right? What the bloody hell today? Yeah, we are all confused. Everyone's confused. Everyone is confused. I do apologise, ladies and gentlemen. We do expect a better professional standard here on our show, but I'm afraid Ed Nevius and Sensei Crypto have gone rogue. They've got carried away with their success and their fame on the show. They now are too big for their boots. They think they're more important than me. They think they're bigger than the show. They've got carried away. They're getting all above themselves. And now we've got codes being given out for benefits that no one even cares what it is anymore. We're just getting lazy. We're so famous, we just give out a discount code. Just give out a discount code. What do you get? Doesn't matter. Just give it out. Yeah, but when Netflix give away a year's subscription, or Apple, we're bigger than them. Don't worry about that. Just give out the code. What? Just so you can get people to sign up? Yeah, I just want to get everyone's email address. Do you? Yeah. Well, what do they get if they sign up and give you their email address? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. All that you need to worry about is they sign up, because I get their email address, right? You get their email address. What do they get? Don't you worry about that. I'll take care of that. Yeah, but my audience want to know what they get before they give you their email address. Don't worry about that. All that's important is I get the email address. You just do what you do, and I'll do what I do. You promote the show. Get everyone to sign up. Don't you worry about what they get. I'll worry. Leave that to me. That's basically what our show's come to now. We had the three-way talk. No, not true, Martin. We had the three-way talk. I don't remember the three-way talk. I don't even remember that. I don't even remember that even happened. There was no three-way talk. I remember the bloody three-way talk. And as I remember it was, this is the code, but he never said he did it. I was waiting for confirmation that he did it. Not he's just done it. I'm confused too. Martin asked me live on YouTube and I did it for him. There you go. Martin asked me live on YouTube and I did it for him. There. That was another day. I don't remember that day. That was in the past. All right? I don't know what we said 3 weeks ago. I understand what Sensei is saying. No, it's discounts. No, it discounts through you. Malk donated 150 to Uganda. He won 100 tickets. He won 100 tickets. Oh, I don't bloody know. It's all confused. No, I'm lost. Yeah, everyone's lost. Yeah. Don't worry. Don't worry, Ed. Don't worry. It's Sensei Crypto I blame. If he just had a normal name like Ali Tizro, how it used to be, we would know. But since he became Sensei. Since he became Sensei, it's just to confuse. It's to shroud us in darkness, and we don't know where we're going. It's like, what's going on? I'm buying XRP. What's XRP? Don't you worry about that. Just buy it. Well, I don't know what it is, and I'm signing up for stuff. I've got my emails, I got my newsletters, I got XRP. Hang on a minute, now I can't sell my XRP. Don't worry, get your Q coin. I've got my Q coin. Now, do I have that on the newsletter? Yeah, that's in the newsletter. How do I get the newsletter? Sign up. Use Martyn's discount. What do I get for the discount? You don't worry about that. Just use the code. That's what it's come to now. This used to be. This is what it used to be like. This is what it used to be like. It used to be like this. I would sit here like this. Nobody watching. Nobody. Just me. Talking down the camera. Hi, my name's Martyn Lucas. And I used to be an entertainer, but I lost all my gigs because of COVID. And now I thought it'd be a good idea to do a YouTube channel to show you how to lose all your money in the bear market, which I did for the next 2 years. This is what it used to be like. And yeah, and I had no one phoning in, and it was all right. I had a few people phone in. These were the people that phoned in at the beginning. These were the very first people that phoned in.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Remember him? He phoned in. Then this guy phoned in.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
There's nothing better than a testimonial for a money channel. Call in, have a laugh. I mean, have a laugh. I mean, that's not the way Bloomberg start their show every morning, is it? Sign up. Become a member of this channel. Have a laugh. Learn how to lose your money. Brilliant. I mean, you might as well. I mean, that's a great testimony. Just join in for a laugh. Just have a laugh. Don't worry about your money. And then we had the guy from Scotland call in.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
See, that wasn't even true. For 2 years, we lost money, so that wasn't true either. Then we had Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
A lot of fun again. Everyone's talking about the fun. No one's talking about anyone making any money. It seems that everyone's just interested in have a laugh on this channel. Ed never used to like, oh, hang on a minute. Hang on. Hang on, Ed. Hang on a minute. I've got to change the screen. Right, you're live now. How are you, mate?
Hey, how are you, Martyn? I love this show. You know what? Everybody become a member to the Martyn Lucas channel. We love each other. We cry together. We laugh together. We confuse the hell out of each other. There ain't no reason why not to join.
That's a reason right there. That's a reason. You've just given the reason why we shouldn't join. I mean, you know, it's not good starting off by just saying join our show because we have a laugh and we're confused. I mean, this isn't, you know, this isn't how I'm going to get Warren Buffett to tune into my show. To be quite honest,
that's true.
You know, he's going to go, I can't be associated with this. And then after that, we had this guy. Remember this one, Ed? Yeah, we had this guy come in and try to take over the show. Remember this guy? Here he is.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about, because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
See, no hype. See, he's on it there. Look, see, he's more on it. No hype. No, it's just we don't need hype. We just confuse each other. You know, there's and then we had this. Then we had this clown call on. He used to be called Ali Tizro. Calls himself Sensei now. That confused me.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're gonna make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Yeah. So what do you reckon? It's been quite a journey, hasn't it, Ed?
Oh, it's been a blast. Honestly, it really is. Like, it's been excellent. I love everybody here. I love everything about the show. It's great.
Join us every day. Join us every day. Learn how to lose your money. That's what it's about. Hey, but it's funny doing it. It's funny, you know. It's better. I mean, if you flush your money down the toilet, it's not funny. There's no entertainment in that. Whereas if you come on here, it's you feel good about it. That's the good thing about it. When you lose your money, you go, do you know what? I've lost $600 on Mullen. I love it. I'm so excited about it. I'm having a great time. Bloody hell.
At least we can share it as a family together, right?
That's right, mate. That's right. And just in case anyone's watching this channel right now who doesn't understand the humor, the comedy, what the hell is going on, I just want to bring it all back into context just for a smallest moment. I'm up on the day. I'm up on the week. I'm up on the month. I'm up on the 3 months. Hang on, I'm not even moving my cursor. There you go. Up on the week, up on the month, up on the 3 months, up on the year to date. And I only put $4 a week in, started with 5 grand, and now I'm up to 57,620 overall. So at the end of the day, even though we're having a laugh, right, we are actually making money. So don't listen to us too much, all right? It's not all down days, is it, Ed?
We're just having fun right now. But no, that's great. And honestly, you need to do that bells and whistles for yourself, because that's an accomplishment, right?
What's that, mate? Oh yeah. It is really, yeah. But I'm most proud of where we've come with the channel, though. But do you know what, Ed? Do you know what? We shouldn't be having this sort of conversation now. This should be happening in 13 days' time on the anniversary of the show. We're kind of like celebrating the channel. This is like 13 days early. We got to do this again in 13 days.
I love it. That's a great idea.
At least you've had a practice, Ed. You've had a practice to call in and be nice. Now you know what to do. This is what you got to do in 13 days, Ed.
I'll be doing my homework.
So, was you in on this then? This secret code that I don't know anything about. Did you know about this?
Well, what was the code that Ali put in there?
Lucas Aid.
So basically, yes, and so that code is to get a discount for people that come in through your show, right? So he wants to take care of the members that are coming through you. So that's why he added that code in. So
so basically, anyone who watches my show who hears me say Lucas Aid gets a discount, whether they're a member or not. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a deal, isn't it? That's a deal. Hang on a minute. You don't even need to be a member to get that discount. What on earth is going on? Hey, Ali, sort that out, right? I want one deal for non-members and one deal for another members, right? So there's Lucas Aid, right? But then you find out if they're a YouTube member. I'm putting that out there. We got to take care of the members, Ed. We can't have that.
Ali's well over. Everybody follows.
I lost you a bit then. Say again.
Everybody follows Martyn, and if not, then you get a discount through you. Nobody else gets a discount other than through your channel. So he's trying to do stuff for you as much as you did for him. It's kind of like helping each other out. So
that's good.
The education part. That's it. I love art, so I'm there. So.
You sound like a bit of a Dalek. For some reason, your internet is being very funny. You sound a bit like an alien, like I'm a Dalek. But we could get most of that anyway. Ed?
Yeah, I just support both. So I'm with Ali. So, and yeah, cheers. Great weekend. I just want to, again, enjoying the laughs. Your show is amazing. It's funny, educational, and
Ed, I got most of what you said, but I'm going to cut you off because I'm losing part of your signal now. So we'll speak again tomorrow.
Absolutely, get them.
Can you make sure that I get? Can you make sure that I get the alert last time for your scalp trades? I missed this afternoon's.
Absolutely, I will.
Yeah,
I'll fix that.
Right, fix that. Sort that out. That's your official telling off on the show. Did you like that?
I love it. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, mate. Thanks for calling in. There's Ed Nevius. Now you think I'm laughing there, but I'm actually telling him off. Right? He didn't give me my scalp trade today, so I'm just saying. That's me angry. Can you see that? This is me angry. See this face? When I do this face, that's me angry. All right? That means I'm angry with Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius didn't give me the scalp trade of the day. All right? So when you see that face, you know. I think it's a rubbish trade anyway. I wouldn't have wanted to do it even if you sent it in. I had better things to do. I was having a cup of tea this afternoon. I wouldn't have done it anyway. Right. Ed, we are making money and having a blast doing an anniversary mug Oh, you want to know about the anniversary mug, do you? You want to know about the anniversary mug? We add year one. I'm not going to tell you yet. I ain't going to tell you yet. Bro is calling from space, I know. Is Ed on Mars? He did sound a bit like that, didn't he? Doge is the currency of Mars. There. Yeah. Right, we're done. We're out of here. We've got things to do. I'm way over time, and I'm very upset because our birthday guy, Crypto, whoever he is, didn't come back. Eric B, not Eric B, Nelson Concalves from Portugal didn't get his channel upgraded because he didn't come back on. I think he's still here, but he's not responding to me. Some people just listen to me on mute. No, he's still in the chat. He's still here. Are you still here? I can't believe it. Are you still here? He's still in the chat, look, but he's just not responding. I don't know what's going on. People put me on mute when they go to the toilet. Very often I've heard about that. There's a rumor on Reddit about it. Anyway, I've got to go because I've got a life to lead. I've got things to do. I've got videos to make. So I've got to get off now then. Oh, Ali's popped in as well. What sort of show is this? Ali's decided to pop in as well. Ali Sensei Crypto, whoever you are, you're live on the show. How are you?
Yes, we're taking over, Martyn.
Yeah, that's two callers from the same organisation in one day. Can somebody else call in, please, who's got nothing to do with these two flipping idiots? Sensei, what do you want?
No, I'm just trying to clarify. Sorry about the confusion about the code.
There's loads of confusion. You've confused everyone. Sort it out.
No, I'm here to make some clarification. I thought on the show we sorted it out, but yeah, so basically that's a code for you to use to take care of anyone who comes through your show. You can use that discount code, and then I'm sure we can create a discount code for your members as well, if you like.
I do like. Shall I ask the members? Would the members like extra benefits, extra treatment when they sign up for Sensei, or do you expect to be treated like all the other riffraff? I'm going to put a poll out. And I'm going to ask that question now. Members, do you think you should get the best deal? Right, okay, members. Do you think you should get the best deal? Now, if you say no, Ali's going to go, right, sod you then. You can pay the full price. It's up to you. Yes or no. So we're just going to find out now whether we think that the members should get the best deal. So live on the show then, Ali, I'll put out when they sign up for any of your programs, whether it's the newsletter or whether it's the training or whatever it might be, they use the name Lucas, correct?
Yes, that is correct. The spelling you provided, not the one I missed.
Not the one that Ali wrote down, even though it's his company. Not the one that he wrote down, right? So when you buy a can of Coke and it says sign up here for a free subscription of Netflix, not what they write on the can, right? What I tell you to write. Okay, so here is the code, Lucas AIDS, right? Lucas AIDS. Not spelled incorrectly, like that. Use that and you'll get a lifelong membership, lifelong discount, and be treated like a rock star. And we've got 3 votes so far. One person says, no, I don't want a special deal. I want to pay more than anyone else. Well, be careful what you say, because Ali will go, fine, let's do that then.
That's fine by me, yeah. No, I'm joking. We always give the best discount to the members.
Of course. There you
go. As we've said before. And yeah, it'll be a lifetime discount, so it'll be monthly. Zed says he's already a member. He's on a lower price than anyone. The original members of the Sensei Crypto will always also have the best price.
Am I a member?
You are a member. You don't pay me, but you're a member.
Oh, I don't pay anything. Hey, that's good. I got a great. Does anybody want my discount code? If anybody tips me a $10 super chat, I'll give you my discount code and you get it for free.
That won't work. I do not approve.
Yeah, it does. I've got a discount code. I can give it out to anyone who gives me a $10 super chat. Just put that in, and it gives you a lifetime discount forever for free.
No. the business model will go down the drain. No, but we are as we add more. As your motto goes, undersell, over deliver. The original members, they're getting more and more as we upgrade Sensei Crypto. They're getting Ed's tips for no extra price. I mean, the membership has gone up in price, and as Martyn doesn't approve, but as we add more, I am increasing the price. So there is more people that need to be paid. I mean, Ed Nevis, I want to take care of him. So the prices are going up, but anyone who's joined now will have the best deal. So Zed if he thinks that he didn't get a discount code, you are on a better deal that even the discount code won't bring the price down to the price you're at. So please don't feel like you've missed out on the discount code. This educational course will come out. It will provide so much value. I really believe that me and Ed want to provide as much education as we can, and we don't want to have a Discord where we're so oversaturated we can't provide that one-on-one help. And we're going to have that course for everyone. We're going to be answering everyone's questions. We're going to turn you into a trader. We don't want you to do the same mistakes we did at the beginning. So there will be a tremendous amount of value, and hopefully the price you pay, you will be able to see that you're going to get 10 times more out of it. And there is no course. I've seen all these YouTuber courses that charge $200 a month, $300. We're never going to be like that, but we also do need to have a price which makes sense for us. I'm investing in a whole setup to provide you guys so much content. I'm not going to be able to make that money back even in years. So I am putting as much. I am trying to keep the costs down, but I'm also investing a lot into this program. And our main goal is to provide education. So I don't want anyone thinking we're providing extortionate prices or anything, but I'm providing as much education as we can.
I just want to say though, folks, right? You've heard all that. You've heard that directly from the man, right? He's going to give you, you're going to get 10 times back what you put in, and he's constantly talking about upping the price. With me, the price will never go up, and you get 20 times back what you put in. So if you've got a limited budget and it's be a member of my channel or Sensei, what you're going to pick? I mean, you might as well just be my member and watch the channel. That's it, and be done with it. What do you reckon, Ali? Is that going to work for you?
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. I mean, people join for different reasons. If someone wants to learn from me and Ed, then they can choose.
Oh, hang
choose
on. What do you mean? What do you mean? If you want to learn from Martyn, that's why it's a couple of bucks a month. If you want to learn from me and Ed, it costs more. Is that what you're saying? That's how it came across.
No, of course not. I mean, Martyn, your membership, you're a great entertainer. The amount you provide in your membership is completely different to what we're providing.
That's okay.
So we work well together.
So basically what you're saying then is if you want financial information, it's going to cost you a few bucks. If you want a clown that entertains you every day, throw him a couple of bucks a month. Like a bloke on the street, like a busker basically. Throw a couple of bucks, give him a bone, he'll be happy with that. That's basically the way that came across then, Ed.
I hope it didn't, but I think people know what we mean.
I'm only joking. He's thinking, because can I tell you now, Sensei does care about you, right? He really does. He's like me. We got the right team. Me and Ed and Sensei, Ali, and also I do some work with some other people as well, like Muzanella. We all care about you, and even though me and Sensei are having a laugh and a joke, he will actually, because he's very sensitive. He'll go afterwards and he'll think, I hope I didn't offend Martyn. Didn't really make him sound like a busker, did I? And he'll call me back later on. He will. About 2 hours from now, he'll text me and go, you did realise I was joking, don't you? I went, yeah, it's fine. I was winding you up. Are you sure? Not deep down inside, you were like you were upset with me, weren't you? No, honestly. So are you sure? Yeah, I'm all right, Sensei. All right. We'll have that conversation in about 2 hours.
No, I understand now.
You got it now, haven't you? You've got the idea of it now, haven't you?
Yes. I need to put my sensitive side to
No, never do that. Never do that. Never do that. Then you become somebody else. I like you the way you are. It works the way. I'm the same, mate. I tell you, I laugh and a joke, and you get people who say stuff, and it hurts you, and that's what makes this channel real. That's why people get it, and that's why people support us, and that's why they're all members and everything else. So just got some breaking news here. Virgin Galactic has just popped up 1.42%. I'm just going to warn everybody. I'm constantly watching the wires of Virgin Galactic. There is no data yet for the flight that we had this afternoon. Did you I think you missed that, Ali. We had a flight this afternoon, a surprise flight.
Yes, I saw the replay of the video, the 1 hour thing. I watched a bit of it. It was unexpected, but you covered it live, and that's great.
Yeah. When you say you watched a bit of it, do you mean like you watched a bit of it, like about a second of it, or did you actually sit through an hour?
No, I've sometimes put it in 2x speed, and your voice sounds very funny. But I watched. I think I watched half of it, just as after it got published as a video.
Hang on, I'm gonna have to cut you off now because first of all, you've said pay for us for the real entertainment, whatever. Martyn is the entertainment, and now you backed it up with the fact if you play the shows in double speed, I sound like Mickey Mouse, and it's even more funny. I think we all know where we stand now, right? We all know where we stand.
I need to head off before I
you
do.
Do. Otherwise, this partnership's going down the toilet, mate. Hey, Ali, have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful time in Dubai. Have a wonderful holiday. I've been there before myself. I went up the what's it called? Khalifa Burj, whatever it's called. What's it called?
Burj Khalifa, yeah.
Burj Khalifa, that's it. Have a wonderful time. I hope you have a wonderful time. Come back refreshed, and we look forward to seeing the pictures.
Yes, we'll do. And I'm going to be building while I'm out there. I'm going to be trying to add as much. I'm going to be reading 4 or 5 books, just trying to add as much as I can to my own knowledge, so I can spread that knowledge. And I'll be back stronger than ever. And we're going to have so many upgrades with this Sensei crypto coming forward. And I'm going to be calling in, giving my insights. And I'm really excited for the months ahead. So thank you for having me on the show, Martyn.
You're welcome, mate. Have a wonderful holiday. See you back in a bit. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bon voyage. Right, I'm going to cut him off now because if I keep him on now, he can retaliate to what I'm about to say. Right? He's now off to his lovely holiday in Dubai, and just know, all the memberships, you're paying for that. He's thinking, I want to call back. Too bad I pulled the plug. It's all over. You can't come back to me now. I've had the last laugh. It's my show. Do what I want. But yeah, just know that. Just know that next week when you're sitting there going, oh, money's a bit tight. Yeah. Sensei's in Dubai and you paid for that. Right. There you go. Brilliant. We've had a laugh this afternoon, haven't we? It's brilliant. Right. I should have gone an hour ago because I've not made the flipping FOMC report, and I've got trying to get the SEC out as well. This is a members only part of the show. So non-members haven't got a clue what's going on. They're thinking, I don't understand any of this. But that's how it should be. It's a members only part of the show. And we're going to end our poll. Do you think the members should get the best deal? 89% said yes. So, Ali, if you sign up for Sensei Crypto Services, you use my code, not the one he uses. He can't spell. It's a good job he can do the crypto better than he can spell. It's LucasAids. LucasAids is what you need. And if you are a nobody, just some random person browsing through YouTube, you get a discount. However, if you are a YouTube member, you get a better deal. Ali, Sensei, Ed, you said it on the show, sort it out. And I will be questioning my members later on next week going, what's the deal? How are you being treated? And then I'll ask somebody else and who's not a member. And if they say they get a better deal or even the same, that's it. There's no more ringing this bell. There'll be no more ringing this bell. I shall remove the badge. That'll be the end of that. Right? So, and I'm going to check. I'm going to make sure my members get the best deal. Right, okay. Sensei and I support Martyn stream so much. This is our passion and promote and support all challenges. Our personal money for the family. Thanks to Martyn. You're very, very welcome. There, see, Ed knows how to sweet talk me. Sensei, not so much. Ed knows exactly how to do it. Wow, Ed, just saw your comment. I missed the comment. Sensei and I support Martyn stream so much. This is our passion to promote and support all challenges. Our personal money for the family. July the 4th, fireworks and a big bang coming. Hello, what's this? July the 4th, fireworks and a big bang coming. You heard it first here on the show. You heard it first. I'm feeling frisky. Frisky? What sort of show is this? It's not OnlyFans, you know. I'm feeling... This isn't OnlyFans. This is YouTube. All right? This ain't... Right? No one's feeling frisky on this show. New competition coming soon. I will sponsor soon a great giveaway. Oh. Who's excited now then? Who's excited now then? Or members only. Yeah, I'm going to make it... I can't make it members only. I'm not allowed. It's against terms of service of YouTube. Let me read down. Martyn needs to see. Martyn needs to see it. I read it. I just read it. Martyn will be happy when he sees your comment. I just read it. I'm happy. I was already happy. You can't be any happier than I'm already 100%. There's no room for any more. Right? I'm already happy. Can't get happier. I'll be happier if you stop being so rude. If you, I tell you what, Sensei, because Ed's a bit older than you, you need to learn from Ed. Ed knows how to treat me, right? That's how you've got to start doing it. I love this job. This is brilliant. I get paid to basically insult people live on air. It's brilliant. Best job. No one's got a job like this. No one. Well, Ricky Gervais does. Ricky Gervais has this job. Ricky Gervais has exactly this job. When he presents the BAFTAs, when he presents the Oscars, that's basically what I do. Just no one watches other than 30 people here. Anyway, 57,722. We've got $212 in cash. We've got 3,300. Oh, Sensei, are you still there? Look, Sensei, you still here? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It weighs a ton. Does anyone know what this is? Anyone know what this is? Oh. Oh. Look at that bad boy. Just come out of the box. Brand new. As if the other one's old. Right? Now what this is, God, if I dropped it now, I would be heartbroken, wouldn't I? This is the brand new Mac Studio M2 Ultra chip. Now then, you're all probably thinking, why on earth have you got that when you just bought one 6 weeks ago? Well, the reason for that is 6 weeks ago, I had to buy a new computer, as you all know. Otherwise, this show just couldn't be the way it is today. The Mac isn't powerful enough. I bought the new computer. I bought it on interest-free credit. Fantastic. The M1 chip, the M1 Ultra. Okay, I got that. Brilliant. I love it. That's what's running this show. It's far better than my Mac. This is my Mac, which was completely rebuilt. MacBook Pro 2019, top of the range, but it's not enough to run this entire studio because of the battery and everything else. I want a like a standalone desktop. So I bought this. I knew that the M2 was a rumor, but no one knew if it was coming out. But I had to buy it anyway. I had to buy it anyway because I had to have the efficiency and the show running. I was off for a week. You remember when that computer went down? It was off for a week. So I bought it. And I bought it with interest-free credit because I didn't want to use the money in my stocks and show my stocks, whatever. Anyway, as you know, we covered the Apple event the other day. And they brought out an M2 Ultra chip. Now, what it did was it discontinued the M1 Ultra. My computer dropped. It dropped all the way down to like, they offered me like $1,100. I paid $4,500. $1,100 as a part exchange for this new one. I went, I'm not having it. Do you know who I am? I'm Martyn Lucas. I'm on YouTube. No, I didn't say that. That wouldn't have worked. I said, do you know who I am? I know Tim Cook. No, I didn't say that either. That wouldn't have worked either. So basically I said, well, I've only had this computer for 6 weeks. It was about, whatever it was, 7 or 8 weeks, whatever it was. And they said, well, we only do 14-day money back. And I said, God, flipping hell, seriously. I said, I really need the latest computer and whatever. I didn't really need the latest computer. This one's fine. I just didn't want to be stuck with a computer that had literally been discontinued and its value had gone to rubbish. All right. So they said, I was on the phone for about an hour. I can be very persuasive when I'm on the phone. They decided to make an exception and refund me this one I've got, which is just behind the monitor here, right? Just here. So basically, they're allowing me to return this one for a full refund, and I bought this one. The only downside is, one, I've got to set the thing up again, but it shouldn't be too much. If I do a time machine on this one, it's like getting a new iPhone. You just back up from the cloud. I can do a very quick reinstall, which it shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to plug it in the same settings, so I know everything will be the same. And essentially, I had to buy this one. Unfortunately, there wasn't enough credit on my Apple interest-free to add a second one, because it would be like nearly $9,000, and I only have like $4,500, like $5,000 on the card to buy this one, right? So I had to buy it on my Bank of America card. However, I've already had nearly 2 months now interest-free. Even though I'm not going to get the full 12 months, I've already had 2 months interest-free, and I'm buying it, and it got charged yesterday because it left today. It left the offices, the factory yesterday. And it's just timed perfectly that it will miss this month's payment. So I'll end up with about 3.5 months of interest-free credit. So that's why I've started to trim off the stocks, because tomorrow, if we get a bit of a dip, I've got a bit of money now earning 4.65%. If the stocks drop tomorrow, like a big dip, I can use that money and then try and do it again. But I want to pay off this computer for cash, which is $4,500. But I'm going to get back about $1,000 I've already paid to them in payments. So it's actually $3,000. And then I've got the cash back from Bank of America, which is about $350. So I've only got to find about $2,500. Hopefully, I could use a bit of that money tomorrow. And then once I pay it off, I've got an extra $330 a month that I'm not paying in Apple payments to put back in the stock market. As the market starts to go up, it should all work out. That's my plan. That's my strategy of how I'm going to play it. So that's why I've got it. So the other one, Eric, I'm not selling it. I'm sending it back for a full refund. And this one, as I've explained. So I've got a bit of a hassle. I can't really do much with it right now, because I haven't got time. But over the weekend, I'm going to have to do it. I'm buying a new M2 Max Studio. Not as good as yours, though. M2 Studio is all you... M2 Max is all you need, though. You don't need this one. I mean, I'm running 14 screens, and you don't need this. It's like buying a Ferrari and then buying a bloody... a Formula 1 McLaren. The Ferrari's fast enough. It's faster than you need to. All you need is a Ford Escort, and you bought a Ferrari, and then I've bought a bloody Formula 1 McLaren. It doesn't matter. You've already got a Ferrari. What you're going to do, and how you're going to do it, Sensei, is more than enough on the M1, the M2. Way more. Way more. You'll be delighted with it. You'll be delighted with it. And to be perfectly honest, I don't need this. The M1 Max Ultra, the M1 Ultra is more than enough. And what I mean by that is when I render videos, right, it renders a 5-minute video in a couple of minutes. It's taken me longer to write out the description and and do a thumbnail than the video has to render before I upload it. So it's making the video faster than I as a human can do all my part. You know, do the thumbnail, do the description, do the tags, do this, do that, the other. So this apparently is 40% faster. So it'll literally be waiting for me to catch up with the video it's already made. Well, what's the point of that? But why not? If I can get it for free, then fine. Anyway, we've gone off the charts tonight, talking random stuff, member stuff here, member stuff, members only stuff. Right, so I got to go. We done day trader of the day, didn't we? Yep. Okay. Let's finish up. I've learned so much just from sharing your experience, Martyn. Thank you. You're very welcome, mate. Very, very welcome. Mac 2000 Pro for sale. Mac 2000. You've got one for sale, have you? Eric, what did you mean? This one's for sale. This MacBook is for sale. Yeah, I don't need it. This is completely refurbished now. This was a $4,000 laptop. This was the top of the range laptop in 2020. Also, the highest graphics card, the highest memory, a 1 terabyte of hard drive. That was the best MacBook Pro you could buy, a 16-inch, in 2020. Right? And that is brand new. Perfect. Like they've new motherboard, new battery, the works. You will think, if anyone gets their hands on that, they will think they are touching a brand new. Everything in this studio is like brand new all the time. All right. Thought that was your first lap. No. My first laptop is this one over here. Hang on. No. I've got one. Can you see this one here? This laptop here. Here comes the camera. Look. This is a Mac 2013. See this one here. This one here. This is a Mac 2013. That runs all the lights. See this one here? This controls all my lights and it powers the screen and it does other things like that. The one behind me is a Mac 2019. That one up there, that's the MacBook Air. That one up there. The two iPads either side. Then the computer here I've just shown you is a 2020 MacBook Pro, all singing, all dancing. And then I've got the studios, which soon I'll only have one. I have learned so much from you sharing experience. Thought you If I was in the US, I would buy it. Yeah, you would, because you could buy this for a fraction of what it will cost you in England. I know you would give a good price for it. Yeah, yeah, for a member, not for you. You're not a member. You're a sponsor. You're money man. You're off to Dubai. You're getting no discount. You're not Eric B. You're not Eric B, hard-working member, struggling through life. You're Sensei Crypto, owner of Sensei Crypto organization, holidays in Dubai. You ain't getting a discount, mate. You're paying double. Look, I've got your drone here. Look. Do you want to buy anything else? Look, I've got his drone here. Look, there's his drone. Look at that, brand new. It never only used that twice. There you go. Yeah, I've got his drone here. Now he wants to buy my computer. Anybody want? I tell you what. Who wants to buy this? I might put this on eBay tonight. I bet this would sell in 5 minutes. Who on eBay right now wants to buy the Sensei bell? Solid brass bell, and it's even got my fingerprints on it. See, that makes it even more valuable. Look, I won't even polish it off. I will leave the fingerprints on it. The Sensei Crypto solid brass bell with oak handle. Anybody want to buy this? How about that? How about that? Anybody want that? I'm going to put that on eBay tonight. Starting bid 50 cents. Anybody want it? See, Eric B understands. Christopher Misek is thinking, I only joined this channel Christopher, I have to apologize. It's not always like this. Christopher became a member a couple of days ago. Thought, right, I want to become a member of a financial channel because I want to make some money and I want some really good information. He's probably thinking, I'm gonna cancel next month. All right. I know I've paid $2.99 for this month, but next month, gonna cancel it. I ain't paying this every day of my life. Once is enough. Can I drop down to a normal member now? Yep. If you become a normal member, it'll cost you even more. So I'd stay where you are if you want the best deal. There you go. $3 right now. That cost a fortune. It did. Let me tell you what happened, right? Sensei said to me, he said, I've had an idea. I said, oh yeah, what's that then? He says, I would like to have a bell. You know, like the New York Stock Exchange? I went, oh yeah, they've got massive bell. Bing, 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 bing. It's about $20,000. He went, well, not one like that, but I want a bell. All right, I said, all right. And he sent me a couple of suggestions on YouTube, not on YouTube, on Amazon. Little tiny bells like this, $1.99. I'm not buying one of them, right? He didn't. He did send a picture of one that was about $10 though, right? It looked a bit cheap, and I thought, This isn't how we're going to do it. I said, I'll sort it out, shall I? He said, yeah, you sort it out and then tell me how much I owe you. So I thought, right, sod it. And I went on Amazon and I found the best bell I could. Now, it's the best bell I could find, right? But it wasn't insanely expensive, right? But it is brass. I think it was about $30. He wanted to spend about 5 or 10. I found a bell, and he said, how much is it? I said, I haven't ordered it yet. To be fair, I didn't. I said, it's about 30. I sent him the invoice. I said, look, it's $27.97. He went, that was more than I was thinking of spending. I said, well, it's quality show, mate. You know, this is what it cost to sponsor my bell. And he went, all right then. So he agreed to it. He reluctantly agreed to it. But I think everybody will agree it was well worth the $27. Does everyone agree? You know, New York Stock Exchange, 20 grand. My show, $27. I think it was a steal, to be quite honest. I'm enjoying myself. Christopher says, I'm enjoying it. Are you enjoying yourself, Christopher? Where's my super chats then today? I've had no super chat. I know what everyone's doing. Do you think I don't know what everyone's doing? I've had no super chats now for nearly a week. I've earned sod all. I've been doing live shows hour after hour after hour, earning no, other than Eric B sending some Dogecoin now and again on martynlucas.com/tip. Everyone else has gone quiet. And I know why. It's because you're all looking at that flipping clock above my head. I know. I've been doing this for 2 years. I see patterns. I know things. I know how it goes. And I know what you're doing. You're thinking, I've got a $10 budget this month. And he's got his birthday in. He's got the birthday of the show in 13 days. I just wait for that. So it's not like I get a little extra bonus on the birthday. You just basically save it all up to the birthday. I know what happens. I know. I'm going to stop doing it. This is what I'm going to do from now on. I'm going to take these things away. So you don't know when it's my birthday, Christmas, New Year, St. Patrick's Day, birthday. I'm going to take it away. Then you're going to give me super chats because you love the show. And then I'm going to surprise you and go, guess what? It's the birthday today. Oh no, we better give a super chat. You'll start super chat. I don't know why I'm doing that. That's like, in fact, I don't know why I'm doing that. Why am I doing that? People used to do that on their phones. Hey! You didn't put any words in! Mike, you didn't put any words. How many times have I told people, if you're going to give me money, spend another 10 seconds in writing a message. You've got to write a message. If you don't write a message, it doesn't read it out. Mike, take back the $2 and do it properly. Put a message in. Don't just go there. Anyone can do that. Anyone. That's like at Christmas. Someone says, "What do you want for Christmas?" And you go, "Well, I'd love a pair of socks. I've got holes in all my socks. I remember the day when my granddad used to get an orange at Christmas and he loved it. And he said, I would love a pair of socks. There's £2, buy yourself some socks." Takes no thought. There's no effort in that. Now Mike, he's got so much money. He just goes, super chat. He does that. Money comes easy. No words, no effort. I can do that. $2 super chat. Anyone can do it. How much for a member? I'm interested. How much for a member? I'm interested. What's that? What? How much to sell your membership? What, you trying to sell your membership on eBay? Good luck with that, mate. Right, hang on. Here it comes. Zed Hink wants to know how much for a member. I'm interested. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? The bell? The computer? What is it you want to buy out of my studio? What is it you're looking for? I'm waiting for this to come up now. Look at this. Christopher I'm sorry, Christopher. I know you don't. This is not why you became a member. I'm just saying this is a membership only show right now. We've gone members only.
Good God, Martin, here you go.
Hey, there it is. There it is. It was so good, I'm going to play it again. So good, I'm going to play it again. See, it wasn't that hard, was it? It wasn't that hard. Recent events. It was that good, I'm going to do it again. It doesn't take much, does it, Mike? That is what you got to do. All right, do it again.
Good God, Martin, here you go.
Good God. No need to be rude. No need to be rude. It's one thing leaving a comment, it's another being rude. Next time, skip the rudeness, do the comment, but no sarcasm and rudeness. I don't deserve that. I don't deserve it. There's no need for the rudeness. I don't know what it is with people these days. Used to be you'd get comments and everybody would be nice about it. No. Now we get rudeness. I love this job. Oh, God. Basically, if you're all watching this now, I've just earned $4 to insult someone who's just given me $4. And he loves it. He loves it. If you ask him, if you go around Mike's house now and you say, Mike, are you enjoying this? Martyn Lucas is literally insulting you and he's taking your money. Why are you doing this? You could be out walking the dog. You could be out talking to the wife. You could be out playing with the grandchildren. Nah. I prefer this. Yeah, but you're paying. You're a member, so you pay every month, and you give him a tip for him to insult you. What is all that? What is this? What sort of channel is this? I wouldn't pay it. I wouldn't join this show. I'll tell you now, I wouldn't be a member of this channel. I actually wouldn't be a member. I said to Leah the other day, I wouldn't pay $2 a month to be insulted. No way. I wouldn't do it. I thought you had troubles replaying a super chat. Only if they don't put words in. You got to put words in. If you put words in, look, it works every time.
Good God, Martin, here you go.
You just got to put words in. But you don't put words in. You're lazy, like most people here today. It's your show, Martin. So do what you like. Here's my show. You're right there, Mike. You love it, don't you, Mike? Mike actually is a winner of the best. Do you know what this is? Look at this. let me share with you, because most of you don't even know this stuff. You don't pay any attention to what's going on here. Look at this. Did you know this? Did you know we had an amazing shop? Did you know this? Did any of you know? So now I've got you all to send me super chats. Now you're going to go and buy something, right? Now you're going to go in the shop and buy something, right? I mean, right, there's the link. I'm actually going to give you the link. I'm actually giving you the link, right? So this is getting better. Right. So look, Mike, to be fair, Mike won this. He won this. Have you seen this? Look, winner. Have you seen this? Look. Winners, Mike. He won that. He didn't pay for that. I gave him that. Right? Just so you know, he didn't pay for that. That $16.99, he didn't pay for that. I gave him that for free. He got that for free. Right? So just saying, and he's got his name on and everything. Right? Now, this year, Eric B is trying to win one. I've noticed. Eric B retweets every one of my posts. I don't even know, and I just want to say, by the way, I don't know why there are a pair of trunks in the shop. I don't know why I did that. One day, it just randomly appeared, and I thought, I don't remember doing that. Who wants to... And by the way, nobody's ever bought a pair. No one has ever bought a pair of these trunks. Ever, right? No one's ever bought them. What else have we got? We got iPhone covers. I like the iPhone cover. I don't know why I don't buy one of those. I'd like one of those. I think that's brilliant. They don't sell these at the iPhone shop. That is brilliant as well. I want one of those. I think that's brilliant. Any color, any style, any... Look at that. Who likes that one? That's got to be good, isn't it? I like that. What else have we got? Anything else? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is something else. Look, I've even got a jigsaw puzzle. Have you seen this for the kids? Look, jigsaw puzzle. You like that? Jigsaw. That's pretty good, isn't it? Jigsaw puzzle. What else have I got? Hats. I mean, basically, the way I look at it is this, because I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking there are things in your home you need. There are things in your home you need. If you think about it, all right, at some point, you need certain things in your life, right? Let's say, for example, we go to, let's say we go to the T-shirt, right? Now, you might say to yourself, well, I'm here. I need a mug, you know? I need a mug. And once I bought the mug, you think, well, what else have we got? Other things. You might also like a T-shirt. And then once you bought the T-shirt, look, we've even got homeware. Like, you might say, I need a towel. You might say that. You might wake up and go, look, I need a towel for the beach. See, look, I don't know why Ali hasn't bought one of these to go to Dubai.
Sensi Crypto donated $0. Got 2 members today. Here is your cut. Ha 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 ha. 10.0000000 XRP.
You got 2 members today. Brilliant. You got 2 members. What site? Two members, paid members or free members? I'm assuming paid members. That's why you got so much money. Now, the reason why it says zero value, it's not zero value. It's because did I just finish up on the towel, the beach towel? I think everyone should buy a beach towel. Socks. I think the socks are good. Socks. Hang on. They are. Socks. Who wants a pair of my socks? Socks. Want them in green? Have them in green. What do you want? What do you need in your house right now? I guarantee I've got it. I've got it. And if people often wonder, is it all sent from America? No. This is made all over the world. If you buy it in the UK, it's sent from the UK. If you buy it from France, it's sent from France. You buy it from Germany, it's made from... It's not just all sent... It's not all from the UK, US. It doesn't cost you a lot to send it, right? Just saying. Anyway. Love the after show. 24-hour stream. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm here. Yeah, have you ordered one of my bath towels for Dubai? I think you should. And then when you're sat there on the beach in Dubai, you could say, "Oh, hello. I like your towel." Oh yeah, Martyn Lucas towel. Martyn Lucas, who's this? Yeah. He has a whole range. He has a whole fashion range, from hats to t-shirts to fanny sacks to iPhone cases. It's a bit like I don't know, George Clooney, basically. He's got a whole range of products. You know, do you want anything? Yeah, I quite fancy it. Well, I know him. You know him? Yeah. I actually sponsor his channel. Do you? Yeah. I can get a discount. Can you? Yeah. What do you want? I'd love a pair of socks for Christmas. You can get those. I can get... What colour do you want? What, any colour? Yeah. Any colour as long as it's got Martyn Lucas's logo on it. Well, that's the point though, isn't it? I mean, that's why you want them, isn't it? You don't ring me up and say, I want a pair of black socks but don't want the logo. Then just go down to Walmart. You can pay $99 to get a pack of 10. Right? This isn't for you. This is for classy people. This is bespoke. This is designer. This is limited. This is a range of fashion accessories. Yes, paid members. Check website to see if your code works at checkout. Oh, all right, then. Hang on then. Sensei Crypto. Here we go. Right, what do I do? Here we go. Prices and plans and pricing. It's always selling, isn't it? Best value. Apparently, this is the best value, $19.99. I'm $2.99 a month for all this. World Piano Man, entertained the Queen, worked with Elton John, done Phantom of the Opera, toured all around the world. $2.99 a month. $2.99 a month. I'm just going to leave it like that. Gold membership. This better work. Sign up. Enter a coupon code. Lucas Aids. Hey, it works. $2 discount. I like it. Wait, I don't know. Come over here, you. $2 discount. Shall we see that again? I just want to see it again because it makes me feel important. That's my name. That is my code. Not your code. You're using my code. That's my code. Remove that. LucasAid. LUCAS. I'm going to just do it again. LucasAids. I'm one of the LucasAids. I'm paying $99 a month. No, you're not. You know Martyn Lucas, do you? Yeah. If you put his name in, you get a discount. You want to see it? Yeah. Apply it now then. Hey! There it is. $2 discount. $17.99. Still more than $2.99 a month. World Piano Man. Played for the Queen. Phantom of the Opera. Oh God, I got to stop doing this. There's got to be a better way to live. There's got to be. This cannot. I'm not signing up for it. There's no way I'm paying there's no way I'm paying that. I just ring up Ali for free. He just says, Martyn, this is what I'm telling you. What are we doing today? Buy XRP. Is that it? Is that what you people paying for? Yeah. Just sign up. XRP. Right. Brilliant. Can I sell this information to somebody? Yeah. But you're not allowed. They haven't got a discount code. Okay, fair enough. I won't do it then. I won't do it. I don't want to upset you. I don't know why I'm still here. Can someone tell me why I'm still here? Is anybody even watching? Who would watch this? Is anybody watching? My God, there are people still watching. There are people. Why are people still watching this? There are 13 people on TikTok. There are 19 people on. I don't know why people. I'm not signing up. It shouldn't even let me. If you've done your job right, it shouldn't even let me. If you've done your job right, when I put my name in, it should go, you don't sign up. You've already got a free account. That's what it should say. If I try and sign up and it lets me do it, it's wrong. I need more members. This trip is more expensive than I thought. Well, you're not getting any money from me. You get 24 hours a day publicity. And in case you were thinking, do I? Is it 24 hours a day publicity? Yes, it is. It's 24 hours a day. Look at this. This is my views. Whoops, hang on. Here's my views. Here's my views. All right, here's my views. Look, this is the 48 hours. This is the 60 minutes. This is every 60 minutes. Can you see that? 60 minutes. And we are now, I'll tell you now, just to give you an idea where we are. This is about average 24 hours a day. So if you look at the top right-hand corner, 133 views, 135 in the last 60 minutes. It's basically 2 views every minute. It's a view every 30 seconds, 24 hours a day. That is now an average. So you're getting a view advertising Sensei flipping crypto every 30 seconds, 24 hours a day. So think on. I love my Martyn Lucas TV. I've got to go, Eric. I know you're having a good time. And, you know, I wish I could watch this. I wish I could enjoy this. I wish I could see what you're seeing, but I can't. It doesn't work that way. I'm really glad that you've had a good time. And I can understand it. I can understand it. You've had a good time this afternoon. But all good things come to an end. We've done the day trader of the day. It's time to wrap up the show with our catchphrase. Is everybody ready? I'll be back in the morning with more of this stuff, more insults, more selling you stuff you don't need, more tips for just basically having a go at you. There'll be more of this tomorrow. Oh yeah, I can keep doing this. Oh, I can. Oh yeah, this is never going to get old for me. This is never going to get old for me. Leah, do you need some money? Yeah, I need to earn some money for the groceries. Don't worry, let me just go and insult Mike and Sensei for half an hour. So I'll just keep doing this. This can keep happening every day. There's no shortage of material. So anyway, right, I've got to go because I'm bored of you now, all right? Obviously, clearly everyone's run out of money, all right? So there's no point staying, right? So I'm going to go. We're going to roll the credits. Roll the credits. Here we go. And at the end of this is my catchphrase. And we've got Sensei Crypto sent in 10 XRP. I think that's about $5. Appreciate that. Eric, wait for it. You're either early or late. You just can't be on time, can you? Right? Donors. That's basically tips. I should change it from donor to tip, really. Sensei. We've got subscriptions, Karim and Richard. Members, Nelson Conglaves from Portugal. Even though he's not here and we couldn't celebrate him we couldn't do any of that. Hopefully we'll do it tomorrow. But that's it. Me and Leah are going for a walk now. It's time for us to go for a walk. So there's no me making videos until I get back. I've got to go for a walk. Right? My wonderful wife is waiting to go for a walk with me. Takes priority. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. As always, take care of your money. I sent you a message on Discord. Where? A private message? What? What sort of message? Eric. I just saw that. I'll reply to that in a minute. Thank you for that message. Right, I'm out of here. Take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves. Join me tomorrow morning for more of this madness. Where else would you be in the world? Sensei's on holiday. He's going to miss all this. And each other. Bye-bye for now. You can't wait. You're going to be here tomorrow. You know you are.